Hi everyone, these sums from the chapter Statistics, exercise 14.2, third problem. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. This data about 200 families, their expenditure. Find the model monthly expenditure of families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. In the question, find the model monthly expenditure. Also find the mean. Find the model, find the mean. This problem asked to find mode and mean. First asked to find model monthly expenditure means mode of this data. Given in the problem, expenditure in rupees, number of families. This expenditure as class interval and number of families as a frequency. Okay, which frequency is the highest? Here 40 is the highest frequency. So this 40 frequency class interval is the model class. 1500 to 2000 monthly expenditure families. Then this is the model class of interval. This lowest limit is called L. Highest frequency f of 140. So model class, this is the model class. 1500 is the L, lowest limit. Now H means length of class interval or height of the class interval. To find H is equal to difference of lower limit and upper limit. 1500 minus 1000 is equal to 500. This is the H. Frequency before frequency. Model class frequency before frequency is F0. After frequency is F2. So F0 24, F1 model class frequency 40, F2 33. Now mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula to find the mode for grouped data. L value 1500, F1 40, F0 24, F1 40, F0 24, F2 33. All these data I substitute. Okay. Then into H value 500. 1500 plus 40 minus 24, 16. 2 40s are 80, 20, 30, 50, 53 plus 4, 57, minus 57 into 500. Same 1500 plus 16 by 23, 80 minus 57, 23 into 500. 5 16s are 80. These two zeros, 8000 by 23. After division, we will get 347.82 for this fraction. 1500 plus 347.82 gives 1847.82. This is the mode of this data. Means monthly expenditure of those families. Model monthly expenditure of 200 families. In this third question itself, asked to find the mean also. Here mean, same data. To find mean for a big number, always use step deviation method. To find the step deviation method, class interval given in the problem, frequency also given in the problem, mid values or class mark or xi means average of class interval, lower limit plus upper limit by 2, 1000 plus 1500, 2500 by 2, 1250, 3500, 3500 by 2, 17500, 2000 to 2500, these two sum 4500 by 2. In previous section also I told you, check these class intervals, either inclusive class intervals or exclusive class interval. These are the exclusive class interval. So height of the class interval is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. 1500 minus 1000, 500. When you found the first class mark, then just you add 500, 500, 500, 500. 1250 plus 500, 1750 plus 500, 2250 plus 500, 2750. In this way we can find all the class marks or mid values of this data. No deviation. Class mark minus assumed mean. Now in this data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 class intervals. So in this 8 class interval, which is the mean class? Means to find the assumed mean, we can take 4th class interval mid value or 5th class interval mid value as assumed mean. In these two cases also we will get same answer. This time I taken this 4th class interval 2750 as assumed mean. Then xi class mark minus assumed mean. All this data subtract assumed mean, you will get a d value. After that ui is equal to xi minus a by h is equal to d by h. D means these values. By h 500, 1500 by 500 3, 1000 by 500 2, 500 by 500 1. For this numerator, here minus is there, so you write minus in the answer. 0 by 500 0, 500 by 500 1, 1000 by 500 2, 1500 by 500 3, 2000 by 500 4. Now the value of FIUI, product of FIUI, this is FI, this is UI. 24 into 3 72 minus, so minus 72. 40 into 2 80 minus, so minus. 33 into 1 33 minus minus. 28 zeros are 0, 31 is 30, 22 twos are 44, 16 threes are 48, 7 fours are 28. Now summation of FIUI is equal to, how much we got here? Minus 35. Write all these values. You add all negative numbers, then you add positive numbers. Their difference we will get minus 35. Okay, here I got minus 35. Now summation of FI means number of families, there is some 200. Step deviation method formula, mean is equal to assumed mean plus summation of FIUI by summation of FI into H. 2750 plus this answer we got here minus 35 by summation of FI 200 into H value 500. 2 zeros get cancelled, means 100 5s are 100 2s are. Now 2750 minus 35 5s are 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 17 plus into minus 175 by 2. We will get 87.5 after division with 2. Now subtract this value from 2750. Then mean class of this data 2662.5. With this we completed third problem. Next, fourth problem. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. Okay. For this question also, find mode and mean both. Whatever given in the problem, same as it is. You copy class intervals, frequencies. Which frequency is the highest? That is the model class. Here 10 is the highest frequency. So model class is 30 to 35. Lower limit 30. So L is 30. This is the biggest frequency. So F1 preceding this frequency F0, succeeding this frequency F2. Now mode is equal to H means height of the class interval. These all are exclusive class intervals, same. So their difference 20 minus 15 is equal to 5. Height of the class interval is 5. Just you substitute all these values in the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L 30, F1 10, F0 9 by 2F1 10, F0 9, F2 3. 10 9 1, 2 tens are 20, minus 3 minus 9 minus 12, remaining 5 as it is. Now 1 by 10 minus 9 1, 2 tens are 20 minus 12, 20 minus 12 is 8, 30 plus 5 by 8, 1 comma 8 LCM is 8, 1 8s are 8, 8 30s are 240 plus 5, 245 by 8. After division we will get 30.625. So mode is 30.625. Fourth one. Next same problem, same data, asked to find the mean also. To find the mean for biggest values, always use the step deviation method. For smallest values, use direct method. Okay. Now number of students as class intervals, frequency, number of states as frequency, xi means class mark mid value, okay, lower limit plus upper limit by 2, di is equal to class mark minus assumed mean, ui is equal to d by h is equal to xi minus a by h. Now one by one. 20 plus 15, 35 by 2, 17.5. This class interval is exclusive class interval. Their height of this class interval 20 minus 15 is 5. So simply you add 5, 17.5 plus 5, 22.5 plus 5, 27 plus 5, 32 plus 5, 37 plus 5, 42 plus 5, 47 plus 5, 52. We can check with this condition. Actually method is average of this class interval 20 plus 15 35 by 2, 25 plus 20 45 by 2, 30 plus 25 55 by 2. We will get the class mark of these class intervals. After that dA is equal to how many class intervals? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 class intervals. So we can take fourth class interval as mean class or fifth class interval as mean class. If you take any of these two as assumed mean, we will get the same answer. So 17.5 minus 32.5, 32.5, 32.5, you subtract from the mid values. We will get like this values minus 15, minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. ui is equal to simply this table by height 5, minus 15 by 5, minus 3, minus 10 by 5, minus 2, minus 5 by 5, minus 1, 0 by 5, 0, 5 by 5, 1, 10 by 5, 2, 15 by 5, 3, 20 by 5, 4. Now fi ui, this is the value of fi, this is the value of ui. Multiply these two terms, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, 8 into minus 2, minus 16, 9 into minus 1, minus 9, 10 zeros are 0, 3 1 is 3, 0 2s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 2 4s are 8. This product of fi ui values sum is minus 23. Okay. Now step deviation method mean is equal to assumed mean plus summation of fi ui by summation of fi into h. I didn't written how we got minus 23. Check one time. 16 9 25 9 34 minus 34 8 3 11 plus 11 4 1 3 3 1 2. Big here big number 34 in front of minus, so minus 23. This is the shortcut. 34 plus minus 34 plus 11, we will get minus 23. Assumed value a is equal to 32.5, summation of fi ui minus 23 by summation of fi 35 into 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 7 is 35, minus 23 by 7 left here. Find the LCM of these two fractions. 1 7 is 7, 32.57 are 227.5 minus 23. Their difference 204.5 by 7. After division we will get 29.21. mean of this data 29.1. Teacher student ratio is 30.6. Average ratio is 29.21. Okay. Now next, fifth one. Exercise 14.2, fifth one. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. This data from the cricket top batsman's data. Runs 3000 to 4000. How many batsmen are there? 4,000 to 5,000, 18 batsmen. 5,000 to 6,000, 9 batsmen. 10,000 to 11,000, only one batsman is there. This is the data. Find the mode of the data. Asked in this problem, only find the mode of the data. So runs as class interval, the number of batsmen as frequency, which is the highest frequency in this data, 18. So this 18 frequency class interval is the model class. This 4000 as L, 18 as F1. This F1 before frequency F0, after frequency F2. Okay, height of the class interval. To write height of the class interval, first we check this is inclusive class interval or exclusive class interval. These are the exclusive class interval. So just you subtract it. 4000 minus 3000, 1000 is the height of the class interval. Then write the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. 4000 plus F1 18, F0 4 by 2 into 18 minus 4, F2 9 into 1000. Okay. Next 4000 plus 18 minus 4, 14 by 18 2s are 36. Minus 9 minus 4 minus 13 into 1000. 4000 by 1 plus 14 into 1000, 14,000 by 36 minus 13 6 3 3 3 1 2 23 1 comma 23. Or direct you do the division for 14,000 by 23. I got here 608.69. Add these two numbers, then finally mode is 4608.69. Okay, next, sixth problem. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarize this in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. Given table here. To find the mode of the data, number of cars as class intervals, frequency as it is. Okay, which is the highest frequency in the data? 20. So this is the model class. Model class lower limit is L. Model class frequency is F1. This frequency before frequency, preceding frequency F0, succeeding means after frequency F2. Height of the class interval, all are exclusive class interval. So find any class interval difference. 10 minus 0, 10, 20 minus 10, 10, 30 minus 20, 10. Height is equal to 10. Now mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L value 40 plus F1 20 minus F0 12 by 2 into 20 minus 12 into F2 value 11 into 10. 20 minus 12 8. 2 20s are 40 minus 12 11 13 23 into 10. Now 40 minus 23 17. 8 10 is 80. 40 plus 80 by 17. 40 as it is. 80 by 17. Do the division, then you will get 4.7. These two numbers sums 44.7. These are the cars. Mode is equal to 44.7 cars. With this problem we completed exercise 14.2 also. Watch my full video, subscribe my channel and share to your friends and family members. Thank you so much.